Remember when we took a look at the Travel Advisor app? Well, now with motion.ai, you can build the same thing quite easily. So let's go in and take a look at how we would do that. So first, let's go and add a module here, because remember one of my modules was actually sites, and I didn't have yet sites here in my flow chart. So let's go ahead and create that one. So I'm going to give the module name sites, and then the initial bot response is going to be, let me show you some sites in Helsinki. And then I'm going to click add module. And now here we have it. And so the first thing we want to do is actually connect it up to our welcome module. So from connections, we go in and add connection, and if it contains sites, and if we look, what was our sites was number 3, so we want to put that in there also. And then we'll connect it to the sites module. Okay, let's go out and save this and close that. And now in sites, okay, we see it added the connection here. So now in sites we go to configure, and let's do cards, because basically all the Travel Advisor app was a series of cards. So we're going to go and add cards here. And the first thing we need to do is find a image for it. So let's go out and let's take a look at the top sites in Helsinki. And here we can see from Google all the different top sites in Helsinki. Living here, let's see, what shall we pick? For example, the Sibelius Monument is one of the top sites here in Helsinki. So let's go and first get an image of it. And let's take the name of it. And that's all we need. I don't think we need a subtitle for it. Let's save the changes. And let's go ahead and test that and see what it looks like. So I'm going to pick 3 sites. And there's our Sibelius Monument. Okay, now probably what people want to have is a little bit more information about that. So let's go in and edit that. We could put some basic information here in the subtitle, and maybe that's a good idea. So we could, for instance, copy some of this text here. And put it in our subtitle. And then we could put a link to some more information about it. So let's take from Wikipedia. We'll put in a more info button and go to information. We'll save that. Let's go out and test it. And there we go. Complete information about top site in Helsinki. Okay, now Another thing that we could do here, and something that they have also in the Travel Advisory app, is they have mapping information, and then they have also go to the next top site. So let's also add those in. So go back to our cards. In our second button, let's put map. And again, we're going to go to URL. We'll go out to Google Maps. And let's type in Sibelius Monument. And here we go. So we can pick share. Let's make it a short URL. And let's copy that into our bot then. Go down and save it. Okay, then we're going to build the next site. So we're going to put in our button 3, next. And we're going to send a message to the bot to go to the next module. In this case, we're going to use the Helsinki Cathedral because that's also one of the main sites here. So let's make our next module named Cathedral. We're going to go and save that then. And we're going to add a module. I'm going to use just the bot statement module. And we're going to put here Helsinki Cathedral. Okay, and there it is. And we're going to connect that. Sorry, we're going to connect this. So we have the button there that says Cathedral. And we're going to send that then to Helsinki Cathedral. Let's wait a moment for that to connect up. Okay. And then we can add in a card here for that. So the same as we did previously. So first we get a picture. I use the heading, Helsinki Cathedral. And I'll use the subtitle, which is just the basic information about this. And then we'll add the button, which is more info. Okay, and then the map will add. And let's go ahead and test it. There we go. More info. Go out to Wikipedia. And map, we'll go out to Google Maps. And we can continue on with that for all the major sites in Helsinki.